Hey, what's going on, Cowabunga traders? It's Pip Surfer again. Today I will be doing an update for Thursday, March 20th, 2008. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. What we're going to do is take a look at our 4-hour chart and look for our main trend. And you can see that our last trend change was right here. And you can see that today the trend remained down the entire session. No new trend changes, no crossovers, no nothing. So today we're only looking for short trades, and that makes it easy. So I'm going to zoom back my chart here on the 15-minute chart to around midnight. Okay, and now it's time to take a look at what news events are coming up for today. So I'm going to go ahead and take my Baby Pips calendar. You can see that today we had UK retail sales at 5:30, and the Philadelphia Fed Index, which was at 10. I know it's not a red event, but this event I've noticed it causes movement sometimes, so I do like to pay attention to it. Even though it is just a orange flag, I'd say it's more orange-red, if anything, so I do like to pay attention to it. And what I'll do is I'll try to when I post my updates, I'll try to put out which news events I'm going to kind of watch out for. So now that we know our news, we can go ahead and start trading. And remember, we're only looking for short trades. So I'm going to go ahead and advance my chart forward. So nothing so far. And here we finally have a crossover to the downside. And now all we got to do is check RSI. It's at about 48.74, so it's under 50. That's good. Stochastics are trending down, which is also good. And MACD was positive, and it was losing value. So this is a valid signal right here. And this happened on a 3:30 candle, which means you would have entered at around 3:45 at the close, which is 1.9817. So 17, and we're shorting, and the nearest zero level is at 9,800. So that's about 17 pips away, pretty good target level. And our stop is just at the most recent swing high, which is about right here. And that's at 98.37. Okay? So now we just let our trade ride and move forward. And you can see that our target was hit on this trade. What happened here on this candle is it opened at 98.17, which was our close. And it actually it spiked down, you can see, to as low as 97.78. Now what happened from there is the price started to move back up, and it actually moved above my initial target at 9,800. Now at this point, you could say that the price did not make a clean break of our target. So I went ahead and exited the trade, and I got out at 98.02, which was right around the close. So I got about 15 pips on that one. And so that was one trade down, and now it's time to reset our charts and look for short trades again. Alright, so we can see that the price continued to move down, and we had a big candle there, still no signals. Now we have some retracement to the upside. We don't take any long trades, so we're just waiting for another crossover to the downside, and we can see that we're not getting anything right now. Alright, nothing going on. And this candle right here is the 10 o'clock Philadelphia Fed Index candle. You see it caused some movement there. And the very next candle we have a doji, which is, you know, a reversal sign, but on such a small time frame, it's kind of, you know, they're not as reliable. So what I'm looking for is our signal here, and you can kind of barely see it, but moving averages did cross down here. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at the rest of our indicators. And here RSI is below 50. Stochastics is trending down. And we have MACD, which is positive and losing value. So this is another valid trade. This candle was the 10:15 candle, which means you entered around 10:30 at the close, which is at 98.07. Now 98.07, the nearest zero level is at 9800, which is only about 7 pips of profit that you're going for there. It's not really too much. So what I'm going to do is find out how much I'm risking on the trade. Here's our most recent swing high, and that's at 98.38 minus our close of 98.37, so that's about 31 pips. So 31 pips is pretty much what I want to go for. So find that my target is at 97.76 right there. Okay, so now we just let the market go, let our trade ride, and we'll see that we had close touch there, nothing yet, and we came really close to hitting our trade, but as it got later in the day, the market retraced against us, and we actually got stopped out on this one. So again, it was another bad day for the Cowabunga system. You could see, just by looking at the price movement, we got a lot of ranging motions going on here. So it really is a difficult time right now just to trade the cable. You could see, if you even look at longer time frames, you just have a lot of erratic movement going on here. So don't worry about it. We are taking a few losses, so but it shouldn't be too bad, and as long as we can kind of stay around the break-even level, then I'm perfectly happy, because if this is our slump, then this is what I want the slump to be, just right around break-even. I don't mind losing a few pips, but when we win, we want to win big. So don't feel bad if we've been taking a hit the past couple of weeks. Just stay true to the system, follow the rules, and I promise you pips will come, okay? So stay up and happy trading. Alright, I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace.